Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Security. Now you need to tap on Screen Lock over here and select the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password, in my case pattern. From here you need to create your login method and then choose Next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now click on the best option for you. To answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when on lock, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with sensitive content only, so I have to click on this option here and save it by selecting Done. Now when I go back, switch off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!